You say Henry? You say Henry?
Mommy, it has bones coming. Look, you can see his bones.
Oh no! Look at those bones.
Look at my bones.
Ooh. You say Henry?
I'm
Say Henry. Hey, can you say Henry? That's right. What's a cow say?
What
Oh.
does the cow say?
What's a cow say, Ben? Is he too excited? What's a cow say? That's right. And what's a sheep say? Bah. And who's that? You say Henry? And you're going to step on him? Is that your plan?
Oh, it's glowing up.
What is he eating? You got a cookie? And now he's laying on Henry? What are you doing, Benjamin?
You might be a wrestler. Say Henry.
Please. Who are you sitting on?
He's kicking me.
He's doing karate moves on you.
Showing off his stinky feet. Let me see a good smile. Let me see a good smile. Good smile. Yeah. Let me see Henry's good smile. Oh, now everybody's, let's change it around. Nope. Oh, who's that? Is that Henry?
Let's go.